Every year we head into the annual Made by Google event armed with every spoiler imaginable. By the time Rick Osterloh shows off the devices the company is launching that day, we have already seen them from every conceivable angle. It looks like the 2023 launch of the Pixel 8 series will be no different. While the company has yet to give away any early announcements as it has in recent years, its latest teaser gives us our first real glimpse of the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro Pixel Watch 2, and a matching new color for the Pixel Buds Pro. The video went live on Google's various social channels today. Unlike our previous glimpses of the Pixel 8 over the last 2 weeks, this one is the real deal, with the Pixel 8 Pro presented in a Pixel Fold-esque porcelain color at the end of the clip. About an hour later, Google posted a second video specifically highlighting the Pixel 8 series, with even more shots of both phones in 2 new colors. Alongside these clips, you can check out full teasers for these phones in the Pixel Watch 2 at Google's online store. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, in pink and white respectively. Interestingly, these images reveal a matte finish for the Pro, something rumored in earlier leaks, while the smaller Pixel 8 seems to keep its glossy finish, at least in this pink color. Alongside these images, we also caught a look at a barely changed Pixel Watch 2 and a new matching shade for Google's high-end earbuds. The Pixel Watch 2, the Pixel 8's camera bar, and the Pixel Buds Pro in porcelain. If you're unsure whether that actually is a Pixel Watch 2, well, so were we, at least until Google put up teasers on its website for its next wearable. As we've heard from most rumors so far, it doesn't sound like Google's next-gen Pixel Watch is expected to see a big year-over-year change in its design, give or take a slimmer chassis. This tease suggests its biggest changes are under the hood, with rumors indicating a big performance boost over the first-gen model's relatively sluggish processor. It also confirms the twist and lock band mechanism first used last year will stick around for another generation. Eagle-eyed have likely noticed the fine print in each of these images. In addition to teasing Google's forthcoming announcements, the company has also confirmed pre-orders will go live on October 4th, presumably after the keynote wraps up. We don't know exactly when the latest Pixel devices will actually make their way into the hands of consumers, but as a comparison, last year's Pixel 7 series shipped about a week after their announcement. If that pattern holds true, Pixel 8 buyers could see their new phone arriving at their doorstep as early as October 11th. And then there's the Pixel Buds Pro. Nothing about this image suggests this is a refresh of Google's headphones, though it's not necessarily out of the question. It's more likely, however, that this is an additional color to match Google's latest devices. Porcelain seems to be the big push from Google this year, after initially appearing on the Pixel Fold this summer. It's a bit boring compared to the flashier, punchier colors we usually look for from phone manufacturers, though thanks to this week's Pixel Simulator leak, we do know the Pixel 8 Pro is coming in a Pixel 7-esque shade of blue. With just about a month to go, and plenty of limelight to try and steal from Apple ahead of next week's event. Don't be surprised if this is far from the last tease we see for Google's upcoming slate of gadgets. And if you've already made your mind up about buying the Pixel 8 or Pixel Watch 2, start counting your pennies. You'll need your wallet handy come October 4th. To know more about latest tech, do consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out.